In this video, I'll show you how to delete contacts saved in WhatsApp step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now find the chat of the contact you want to delete. Tap the contact name at the top of the conversation. This will open the contact information. Now look for the Edit Contact or View in Address Book option. WhatsApp uses the contacts saved on your phone. So to delete the contact, you need to remove it from your phone's contact list. Tap the Delete Contact option. Confirm the deletion. After that, go back to WhatsApp. You can also clear the chat to remove message history. If needed, you can block the contact to stop receiving messages.